How to turn on or turn off Vibrate for keypad taps in Phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. So tap on Settings from the menu. Now in here, tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. After that, we scroll down, and on the last option, tap on Vibrate for keypad taps. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on your keypad here, every time you tap on a number key, your phone will ever gently vibrate to give you a feedback. And that is the haptic feedback on key tap. If you don't like to use it, we can go back into settings in here and switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.